Look, it's a tractor. Hey, tractor, are you bored?
Yes.
Oh, man, that's not good. We need to make a playground. Can you help? Great! Then, cars, let's get to work. Well done, Crane. You have brought a base for the sandbox.
Yes.
Excavator, now you need to add sand into the sandbox.
Okay.
Whoa! The crane is covered in sand in the sandbox. What do you have, truck? Are you going to help us make a playground?
Yes.
Okay, there's a base, but there's no roof. Hey, Crane, we need your help. All right. And now we need to connect them with the monkey bridge. The bridge should be hung between the towers. Come on, cars. You can do it. All right, cars. Move in the same direction as a team. We're a team, right? Great! But it seems like we're still missing something. Oh yeah! We need steps and slides so we can slide down.
Okay.
Let's set them up.
Oh.
Hooray! We're all done. Hey, cars. Do you think anything is missing in our playground? That's right, Excavator. We can make a swing.
Yes.
So here's a base for the swing. Now we need seats. Well done. The swing is ready to go. Careful, careful. Not so fast. Well, Crane, let's help the truck out. Truck, are you okay?
Oh.
You're so funny. Well done, cars. Today, you have built a beautiful playground.
Wow.
And even had some time to play in it. Well, now it's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye.